Hello foodies! Welcome back to Svedanika the kitchen. Today we are here again with a new recipe. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Today's recipe is crispy chicken pakodi, a quick and easy to prepare snack, a famous street food from Andhra. I am showing two versions of crispy chicken pakodi with two different spice levels. So let's get into the ingredients for this quick and easy snack. Boneless chicken cubes, cooking oil, salt, chilli powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, green chillies, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, coriander cumin powder, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, chickpea flour and chilli garlic paste. Without wasting any time, let's get into the procedure. Wash and cut boneless chicken into small cubes. Add chicken to the bowl. For this recipe, it is ideal to select boneless chicken pieces and cut them into small pieces. Small pieces always cook well and taste better when compared to large boneless pieces. Add salt as per your taste. Now I am adding half teaspoon of chilli powder. As I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder for bright red color. If you don't have Kashmiri red chilli powder, you can skip this and add regular chilli powder. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This acts as a binding agent. You can skip this step and add more chickpea flour. 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. This adds good amount of flavors. And a pinch of garam masala. This is completely optional. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything properly such that all the chicken pieces are coated with flours and spices. Use your hand to mix as there is no liquid added till now. This looks a bit soggy. Now squeeze half lemon to the marinated chicken. Now everything mixes well and there is enough amount of liquid from lemon juice to bind everything together. Look at the well marinated chicken cubes. Rest this aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's take a pan or wok and add enough oil for deep fry. Once the oil is hot enough, add marinated chicken pieces slowly one by one and deep fry. I always prepare pakodi in 2 batches with 2 different flavors. First batch is mild and less spicy. This is served to my kids. Second batch is spicy. I'll show you what is added to make it spicy yet flavorful in a while. Now the pakodi is almost fried. Fry until golden red on medium heat. Now the pakodi is ready. Transfer into a plate with a paper towel to remove excess oil from the chicken pieces. Look at the crispy chicken pakodi. These are mild in spice and kids love them a lot. Now for spicy version of pakodi, add chilli garlic paste to the marinated chicken and mix well. This paste is prepared by soaking dry red chillies for 1 hour and blend with garlic cloves. This adds extra spice to the pakodi. The garlic flavor and spice from the red chillies gives you amazing flavorful chicken pakodi. Now add these marinated chicken pieces one by one slowly to hot oil and deep fry. This pakodi goes well as a tea time snack, as a side dish accompanied with sambar rice, dal rice, etc. My kids love to eat them both as a snack and side dish. Fry them for 8 to 10 minutes on medium heat until golden red. Now the pakodi is fried. Look at the golden red color of the crispy crunchy pakodi. Transfer into a plate with a paper towel to remove excess oil from the fried chicken pieces. Now I'm frying some curry leaves and slit green chillies in the same oil at the end. The crunchy curry leaves and fried chilli gives an amazing taste and aroma to the deep fried chicken pakodi. At the end, squeeze lemon on the top and enjoy your delicious snack. If you find this recipe interesting, please like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.